y'all. Ooh, look at that. All right. What's up with it, family? It's your boy, That Boy Can Cook, in the place, in your face, back at you. And as you seen by the thumbnail, we got us another famous, delicious Thanksgiving recipe, baby. We making us a sweet potato pie. Hey, make this quick. We're gonna make this simple and we're gonna make this delicious, baby. Real quick, family, this is everything we're gonna need. Let's run over the ingredients. We got eggs, vanilla extract, nutmeg, cinnamon, sugar, brown sugar. We got a stick of butter. We're gonna melt that butter, a can of evaporated milk, and we already have our sweet potatoes. I went ahead, threw them in the oven for about an hour at 400 to 425 degrees. Like I said, I already baked these. You can bake them, you can boil them, your choice. We just want them tender. So now we're just gonna peel it. Just get them all peeled. Bake them, it peels very easy because the skin have pulled away from the actual potato. So the pie crust in the fridge, I forgot to take that out when I was doing the ingredients, but the pie crust is in the freezer. And it's the regular store-bought pie crust. I just feel like on Thanksgiving, holidays, I mean, you're making so much food, making a fresh pie crust is, you know, I mean, it's your world. If you want to do it, you do it. But it's just easier to buy some already made pie crust. So first thing you want to make sure you do, you want to make sure you have a food processor, a blender, stick blender, hand mixer. I don't have a hand mixer. So I'm gonna blend these very good because you want to get the fibers, the hairs. Look at that. You don't want no stringy sweet potato pie. So see the strings? We're gonna get all that broke down. Family, I got them all blended up. Show you what it's supposed to look like. Get this off the blade. What does it look like? See how smooth it is? Just like that. That way we have all the fibers, aka hairs, that will make your sweet potato pie stringy. And we don't want that. So here's the others. Once again, that's what you want. Look at that. That's what you want right now. All right, so to make this process a little bit easier for me, I'm gonna go ahead and get it in my stand mixer. And we're just gonna mix all the ingredients in there. But make sure you preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Like I say, now we're ready. Let's go ahead and get our whisk on here. You wanna use your whisk attachment. I melted butter better. Get that in now. Vanilla extract. Regular sugar. And I will have all of the ingredients and the measurements in the description. Nutmeg, cinnamon. All right, right on low. Get everything mixed in, everything combined. Right now, let's just make sure we don't have any sitting on the side, any ingredients. So just want to scrape your sides. Get everything down in there. Give it one more quick little mix. All right, let's get our eggs in it. We're gonna start it. And I got them lightly beaten. So let's just get the eggs incorporated. All right, as you can see, family, got everything. Get this out of the way. mixed up. And that's what we're looking like. Right there. It's that flavorful, delicious sweet potato, baby. Let's turn it into a pie. All right, family, y'all gotta excuse your boy. Sometimes I be moving too fast and I might forget an ingredient too, but it's always to where I can come back and add it. So what I did forget was our evaporated milk. So let's get this in there. Since everything is already blended pretty well, I can just mix it in with a whisk and get it combined that way. So there we go. That's all we need to do. My apologies. I'll be better at it. All right, family. Like I say, let's turn this into some pies, baby. Store-bought pie crust. And this is one reason I kind of hate buying the store-bought pie crust, because I got one that's cracked. You know what I'm saying? But we're gonna put the pie in there anyway. And we're gonna make it happen how we make it happen. All right. So let's just get our filling into our pie crust. Spatula, smooth it out if you need to. As such, just to make sure you're not overfilling it. There it is. It's delicious pad number 1 and delicious pad number 2. Whoo! Sweet potato pie, baby. Let's get them in the oven. There it is, baby. Sweet potato pie. I don't want to tilt it. I want to keep it all even. So we'll get one in here. In the middle rack. That other one in there, baby. Alrighty. And if you're cooking 2, you want to come back and you want to check them. You maybe want to rotate them if you need to, just to make sure they're getting cooked evenly. But they're in the oven at 350 degrees for 45 to 50 minutes. All right, family. The pie is ready, baby. The pie is ready. Oh, look at that. Let's get them out of here. Check that out. Ooh. Sweet potato pie, baby. Sweet potato pies. Let's get this oven out of here. Bye, y'all. Ooh, look at that. All righty. So we're gonna take them out. We're gonna let them rest. We're gonna put them in the fridge 12 to 24 hours. We're gonna let them set and we'll be back. And before we let everything get said and done, let's go ahead and toothpick test them. So the whole method of this is making sure it comes out clean. That one's fine. Let's get this other one. That's clean too. We ready to go, baby. All we gotta do is let them sit. We be back. Right, family, we done let our sweet potato pie set in the fridge. I said from 12 to 24 hours. I went like 24 hours, I got busy. And so it's the next day. But anyway, there it is. Sweet potato pie, baby. Throw a little Cool Whip on top, even though I don't like Cool Whip. We're gonna put it on there just for decorations. Now we're gonna taste it. Even with the Cool Whip, I might change my mind, you know? Let's see what we got. Look at that. Ooh, look at that. That's it right there, y'all. Sweet potato pie, baby. Let's taste it. I can do without the whipped cream. The sweet potato pie is delicious, though. Let me know in the comments if you like it cold or if you like it warm. I like mine cold. Let's get another bite, baby. All right, family. This is the end of another delicious recipe we just made. If you liked the video, hit the like button. That helps the channel grow. Subscribe. That helps the channel grow. Make sure you hit them notification bells so you know what we're doing, when we're doing it. And oh yeah, share it with your people, because that's gonna help the channel grow. That boy can cook. Out the place, out your face. Till the next time. Gone. Yeah. Getting a bite. Yeah.